Hey everyone, let's get straight to the point. Today we're talking about how to leave a Discord server. I've got two screens here. On one side, I've got the Discord desktop app, and on the other side, I've got a browser window with another account logged in. First things first, let's invite the user from the browser into the server on the desktop app. They'll get a notification, and all they have to do is click the join button. Simple as that. They're in the server. Now, what if you've joined a server and you decide you want to leave? No worries, it's really easy. Find the server you want to leave on the left-hand sidebar. Right-click on it and then click Leave Server. A confirmation box will pop up, so go ahead and confirm. And that's really all there is to it. It's super simple, but I know a lot of people have questions about this, so I thought I'd make a quick tutorial. Hope this helps. Now you know how to abandon any Discord server in case of emergency. Just joking. I'm sure you have a good reason to leave.